Holy. Sorry about the wind noise. Can't be helped. It's crazy out here right now. These fish, I'm fishing through these pad stems that are trying to break through. And the problem is the fish feel like the pads. I don't know what to set the hook on. Gotcha. Oh my God. I swear I thought that was a fish. Got him. GoPro, start recording. Oh! I kept him at the edge of the boat too long. I told the camera to start recording and I high sticked him and he came off. That is my fault. Oh my God. Holy smokes, hola. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Woo. That rod did its job. That hook is not wallowed out. It's always wallowed out and it's not. I think I just need some sun. He peeing on me. I just need some sun on these banks, and that's what I thought earlier. Oh yeah, I pinned this one. That Arc Invoker Pro, that's a solid 3 1/4. It did its job. That rod pinned that fish. It didn't wallow the hole out. Nice. This wind got me messed up. Just got some not so good news from a dear friend of mine and a friend of the channel. Somebody else that's that's in this life with us, man. Like in this fishing life, in this, you know, this influencer, marketer, tournament, you know, like it just in it, and it's really fighting right now for his health. So that was a rough text to get. I don't want to put the information out there, but if y'all pray, just pray for my friend. Just send that prayer up. I'm sure the universe will know who it needs to go to. But think about you out here, big homie. We need you to get better, man. It's crazy. It's crazy, dog. This wind is like borderline unkayakable. And no, I will not rock a pedal drive. I'm so blown off my spot where I caught those fish a second ago. 2 fish back to back. That is crazy. I promised my buddy I would throw a rattle trap for a little while. This is my fishing day. He should have been out here. Hey, throw this bait for me. No, you come throw the bait. Spook the fish. I got some swirling going on now. I'm going into the bank. Lord have mercy. This wind is just not, this wind is abusive. It's just abusive. This wind is borderline dangerous. This is almost dangerous. If you were in a small boat or didn't really know what you're doing, you could not be out here in this. Truth be told, I would almost rather have my Moken right now. It's a much better boat for adverse conditions because I can control the attitude of the boat much better. And that's due to a lot of things, not the least of which is the seat position. Oh, you serious? I hit the water and landed on a stick in this wind? Darn it. Ooh. Chain pickerel just cut my Jack Hammer off of 30-pound braid. Clean cut. Okay, I switched to a black and blue chatterbait. Never caught a fish on it before. Just keep going around and God dang! GoPro, start recording. First cast. Oh yes, baby. Come here. Have never caught a fish on a black and blue chatterbait. That's my biggest fish of the day. I couldn't even catch up with that fish. He choked the chatterbait all the way down. All the way. My goodness. Black and blue chatterbait. That's a gambler paddle tail. And that's almost 4 pounds. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Yeah. Got it on that Arc Invoker Pro, baby. Had to stage that bait for a picture. Arc Invoker Pro, baby. That's my new chatterbait rod right there, dog. Yeah, dog. Bye. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Toady. Toady. Yes, I did. Okay. Second cast with the black and blue. That's crazy. I had never caught a fish on black and blue before that one. Biggest fish of the day. And as I was telling y'all that I'd never done it, it happened. I think this Arc is, for me, the perfect chatterbait rod. I will link it for days. Super light, super sensitive, great action. It's pinning these fish. Great. Oh, that's bad. That blew my rod. This is very uncomfortable wind, guys. Very extremely uncomfortable wind. I'm telling you, I can't throw a jig in this. It's fishable, but just barely. I'm really working to fish in these conditions. All right, I had to pause for a work meeting. So quick update, the wind is still blowing. And that's all for the midday update. Oh my gosh. That's a fish. That's a fish. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's a fish. I'm saying? Man, this arc rod is the best chatterbait rod ever. I've never had these kind of hookups. Roof of the mouth, no big walled out holes. It's fantastic. I just want y'all to hear what I got to say right now. That's it. I'm trying to paddle, and I guess I was in that protected area for so long that I didn't realize how bad the weather is. So the force of the wind on the side of my kayak is so strong on my starboard side that I can't turn the kayak to port. I can't go left. So the force of the wind is so strong, I have to back paddle on the left side of the boat to go left. Like I have to reverse stroke to try to get the nose to go straight. The boat keeps trying to get broadside to the wind. And a couple times it was a little hairy. I had some white caps, so I need to do a straight shot, but I can't cut the waves at that angle. So we're gonna take the long route. We won't be back to the truck for a minute. I even had to put the rods down. All my rods are laying in the boat because I could feel the boat starting to get pushed. Like I started to list to port. The wind's hitting me on my starboard side and the boat was listing to port. And I'm like, why am I leaning so hard? It was the rods. Once I laid the rods down, the boat stopped leaning. That's crazy that the wind is that way right now. But